This is Aaron. Aaron is a friend, a brother, and a user of the iPhone 13, not the Pro, not the Pro Max, and he has been using this for 6 months. Come to think of it, this guy is quite rich. As a tech YouTuber, it is my duty to use the device for a period of time and tell you what I think about it. But I thought of this and I was like, why not get that perspective from a consumer's standpoint? Now, Aaron isn't a tech reviewer. He has no idea of reviewing technology, but he is a user and a consumer of the iPhone 13 for 6 months. So in today's video, all you're going to see are his thoughts, opinions, and suggestions as to how Apple could improve the iPhone 13 and more. Now, if you love content like this, leave a like, hit the share button, and broadcast this to people who would want to see this. And let's get started.
Hi, I'm Aaron and I use iPhone 13. Well, in regards to smartphones, when it comes to smartphones, what I usually look out for is the brand. And Apple has a very big brand. And so when I'm going for a phone, it's always about the brand. Yeah, so. Well, I went for the iPhone 13 for a few reasons. The first being the picture quality, the camera quality, and the second being the battery health, right? It has a very good battery health. It's able to last for about 24 to 48 hours.
Oh, hey, hi, future me here. While you're watching the video, if you're enjoying it, please don't forget to leave a like. It's very necessary. Smash it now, now, please. All right, I'll leave you be.
It's been 6 months now since I started using the iPhone 13. Okay, so what I love about the build and design of the iPhone 13 is that relative to the rest, the portability, it's very, very small, and it could easily fit into my pockets at any time. So prior to the iPhone 13, I was using the 8 Plus, the iPhone 8 Plus. And so when I compare the 13 to the 8 Plus, the 8 Plus is much bigger and a bit cumbersome. But then the 13 is very, very portable in terms of size. But what I don't like about the build and design is that it's a bit thick. The size or the width is thick. It's thicker than the 8 Plus. So that's it about the build and design. Okay, so without the case, the 13 is a bit slippery. It's very, very slippery, and it might even slip out of your hand and fall. And so usually I like to use it with the case on. So what I like about the display is that, like the other iPhones, the screen adjusts based on the brightness of your room or the brightness of the environment you are in. And so that makes it very easier for you to, quickly adjust to wherever you are in regards to the environment and stuff. And when you're watching a video or you're streaming any video online, it gives you this bright and quality images. Okay, so I don't think there've been a point where I dislike the display. It's always okay. So far, with performance, the 13 doesn't lag and it doesn't heat as well. So I was using an 8 Plus before I moved to the 13, and the one issue about the 8 Plus was that it used to heat a lot. But relative to the 13, it doesn't heat. I have a lot of applications running on the 13. I could multitask and run a lot of applications at the same time, but yet it doesn't lag. It doesn't also heat up. So currently, I'm not a gaming person. I've gone past that level. So. Okay, with regards to battery life, again, contrasting with the 8 Plus, the 13 has a very good battery life. When I charge it for a while, it doesn't take so long to charge, and yet it could take me for about 24 to 48 hours without having to charge it. So it has a very good battery life. It has never disappointed me. It's always, top notch. All right, so with the camera mode, I think one thing that I don't like about the camera mode is that with the 13, images in the camera appear smaller than they really are. Contrasting this with the 8 Plus. 8 Plus captures the images just as it is, but then the 13 it makes the images smaller than they appear. With regards to the portrait mode, again contrasting this with the 8 Plus, 8 Plus just captures if you're taking a picture, for instance, you're able to just capture half of the person with portrait mode, but then with the 13, you can even capture the full image in portrait mode, and that's something that I really like. One thing I like about the 13 is that it has this video feature which is cinematic, which enables you to take portrait videos, and I really like that about it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll rate it at 8. Based on, the user experience, based on all the features, overall. So I don't need your follow, man. I'm good.